Yo, back out here in the woods again. Welcome to Disruptive Minds. I'm your host, Jerome A. Color. The A stand for always learning. Yeah, I shaved the beard off. Shaved the beard. Got the baby face. Got the baby face back out here in the woods. So, let's talk a little bit more about seasonal depression, right? So, one of the ways of fighting against seasonal depression. What is seasonal depression? The seasons change, your moods change, your attitude change. A lot of things change because of the seasons. One way to fight that is to get into a routine. That's what I developed when I did the basic mindset training. You click the link, you get the basic mindset training. You got to get into a routine. Now is the best time to get into that routine, because when spring's going to come, which it is. Let me show you this creek bed if I can. They're going to let me turn it around. Maybe. Nah, they're going to let me turn it. So, maybe if I do like this. See the creek bed behind me? Yeah. So, got to get into a routine, right? Got to get into a routine. You get into a routine now, when spring comes, which it will, you will already be in the process of helping and developing yourself, right? So, that's one way of combating seasonal depression, right? Is get into a routine, a positive routine. Basic mindset training will get you into a positive routine. Secondly, your foods. Your foods have to be, I would say less. Just eating less. Less foods. Now is not more foods. I know you're thinking it's cold, I want to eat more, the seasons, the holidays, the kids, Thanksgiving, all that other crap. Great. Less food. Less food. Less food. I don't recommend, what I'm doing is I do 1 meal a day. Do I recommend that to everybody? No, I don't recommend that to everybody. You got to be very disciplined, and you got to have a plan in place to do 1 meal a day, because it's not cute, but it does work out. It does work. Like when you're working out and you do 1 meal a day, your body really doesn't really want your body doesn't really want that much junk, because it knows that it got to come and do this every day. All right. So seasonal depression. How to win. Got to get into a routine, a positive routine, making your bed, having a planner or a journal. I just talked to one of my boys, and he was on this, I don't need a planner or a journal. I got a photographic memory. Good luck with all that. Good luck. It's not, your brain is one thing, your mind is another. And once you start seeing your plans and you start seeing the journals and you start seeing that stuff on paper, it totally changes things. Think about religious books. All those stories were eventually stories before somebody decided, well, let me write this down. Then somebody else decided to write that down. And then it got to where we are right now with all the stories. Somebody wrote something down, right? You need a journal. You need something to wake up for. Eric Thomas said, a lot of people don't want to get out of bed because they got nothing to wake up for. You got to have a plan. You got to have something that's way down the road that you want to accomplish. That's going to give you a plan. It's going to make you want to get out of bed to do it. Like me, I have to do the 60 days. 60 days, 5 miles a day plus the push-ups. I have to do it. I have no choice. I said that in my other video. I have no choice. So that's the plan. So every day I wake up, it's the plan. Your brain's locked in. There's no way around these things. You can keep doing what you're doing, and you keep getting the results that you're getting. I'm out.